Hi, welcome to Unacademy. As you all know that Railway is soon going to declare the NTPC dates. I welcome you to Unacademy Plus platform where I used to take the live classes, doubt solving classes, weekly tests and mega quizzes on Railway exams. So first of all you need to understand that what are the things are important to crack the NTPC or RRB exam. Is it very tough? What is the accuracy rate? Actually, the accuracy rate is 100% if you are confident. And whenever you are confident, you can solve any question in the exam within no time. So for that, what are the things you need? You need to have the time management skills. You need to have the 100% accuracy, and moreover, you need a mentor. For example, I am giving you one question. A number when divided by 899 gives the remainder 62. What the remainder will be when obtained when divided by 31, and to solve this question you will hardly have 0.10 second. So the answer is going to be 0. Whoever you got the answer, just write down in the comment section. So it's pretty simple. 899 is divisible by 31 and 62 is divisible by 31, so the entire number is divisible by 31. So that means whenever you are dividing it by 31, there will not be any remainder. So this is the theoretical way of solving it. 899 is 31 into 29 and 62 is 31 into 2. So whenever you take 31 common, the entire number is a factor of 31. Hence it is divisible by 31, no remainder when you divide by 31. So more such questions and tricks and tips, join my course on Unacademy Plus. Use the code Sibon-math to get 10% instant discount on whatever purchase you make in the Unacademy Plus platform. My course description, my course link and the code will be available in the description below. So I welcome you to Unacademy Plus platform and hoping you to see subscribed on my course. Thank you for watching.